Please read the red lines and I'll read the blue lines. Lost luggage at the airport. Hello, how can I help you? I'm sorry to hear that. Which flight were you on? Thank you. Did you check in any bags or was that carry on only? Can you describe the bag for me? Got it. May I have your baggage claim tag, please? Thank you. I'll check our system now. Okay. It looks like your bag didn't make the connecting flight. Don't worry, we'll deliver it to your hotel within 24 hours. Yes, please. I'll also need your phone number. Thank you. I've found the report. We'll send you an update once the bag is found. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip, even without your bag. Let's take turns. Please read the blue lines and I'll read the red lines. Here we go. Hi, I just arrived, but my suitcase is missing. I was on flight 623 on Manila. I checked in one suitcase. It's a large black suitcase with a green ribbon. Yes, here it is. Oh no, what should I do? Can I leave my hotel address? Here's my contact info. Thank you so much for your help. Well done. Let's check your comprehension skills. Can you describe the suitcase in the comment section? Take care and have a nice day. Bye.